We're Ufonia Limited, and we're a company that does what we call autonomous telemedicine. And what that means is we use AI to automate routine clinical consultations, typically phone calls between doctors and patients. And we do that with our voice AI assistant that we call Dora.
Dora speaks to the patients in normal, natural language over a telephone call. And the telephone call is a really important thing for us because that means that whilst there's lots of complex technology going on behind the scenes, actually for the patient, they don't need any technology. But certainly from a technology perspective, we make it as simple as possible.
This means that we can scale, we can use the technology to deliver healthcare to thousands and millions of patients in a way that's just not possible using just doctors and nurses alone.
Our vision is to be able to automate as many clinical visits as we can to make health and care accessible to everyone at any time.
Everybody understands the NHS is under ever increasing pressure. We have an ageing population and healthcare demands just continue to grow. What Ufonia can do using our technology is deliver healthcare to the ever increasing demand. We can automate a lot of these really important clinical conversations, which are just not possible to deliver with humans alone.
The freed up capacity from Dora automating routine activity means clinicians can actually focus on the patients that need them most.
What Innovate UK has helped us to do is really bridge those connections. That's allowed us to get a clinical site that has enabled us to start using the technology, get it in front of patients, get feedback from patients, and then allow this to be developed to become a more and more powerful resource to be used for delivery of care.
And without Innovate UK, we wouldn't have been able to bring together the clinical hospital partners as well as 2 expert academic partners to make this project a reality.
We believe that the technology we've built is something that can be used in a global scale. Innovate UK has been massively supportive of that.
Innovate UK's support via the Biomedical Catalyst project really allowed us to tackle quite a big problem, which was automating secondary bone health or fracture prevention support for patients. This is something that's a massive issue across the country, with almost 50% of patients currently going untreated. What this Innovate UK grant allows us to do is to start to move into more nuanced, complex things like secondary fracture follow-up. We do a lot of work in assuring the safety of our AI solutions, and I'm sure all of us would have heard the hype around generative AI and ChatGPT, and I feel like we're working right at the forefront of that, getting those technologies that are really powerful over the kind of safe hurdle of a regulated medical device so they can be safely used to support patients and doctors. So that's what gets me out of bed in the morning.